I'm super excited because the guys at FXFX sent me this clip-on tuner. You need to have these. These are really nice. Check it out. This is what comes in the box. So this is a tuner. Ooh, this feels like it's made out of metal. And it's red. Oh my god, this is so cool. Colors of the channel. Okay, check this out. This is how it looks. Really, really well made. I wish you could feel this. Yeah, it feels like this. Almost feels metal. Comes with this USB-C, right? It has the connection there. You see that? And it's to charge it, I guess. And then you charge it. Let's turn it on. See if it comes with any. Yeah, it comes with charge. There you go. And the way you do it is you take your guitar, right? And then you clip it right there. You see? And if you play like that, right? Right? So then and the letters are pretty big, so you don't have to have like your glasses on to see it. I'll show you. I'll show you how it, like, right? So oh, nice. Okay, so let me show you. What's perfect about this is that the lettering is big. Let me see. I want you to see how big the letters are. Let me get closer right there so that you can see it. I guess it has to be here. I'm gonna put it like this. Oh, the camera doesn't catch it. Ah, that's so unfortunate. Let me put it this way. Maybe like that it shows. There you go. You see? So it's perfect, it's beautiful. You can set it up there, right? Of course, it's not gonna look this way. It's gonna look my way so that when I'm playing, right, I can, between songs, I can just tune right here. My God, I'm in love with this product. Thanks to the guys at FXFX for sending it to me. Wait, let me take it off the guitar. Right? And I'm just surprised how well made it is. That the color is red and it's beautiful. It's a beautiful red, candy apple red. And that is very light. And it comes with everything you need. So it's a tuner and a USB-C cable so that you can tune it. I mean, charge it. It comes with the clip. And here it has, I'm gonna say that it has several modes, right? But yeah, check it out. Beautifully made. Super recommended. And thank you to the guys at FXFX for sending it to me. Look at the display. How nice. The workmanship. Yeah, this is really nice. I love it. I'm loving it already. And this is going to be in my bag. And I'll be using it. Super, super recommended.